Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made my first GraphQL API call with NetBox. Okay, so this is the code, and I'm going to copy and paste each section into IPython and just explain each a bit. Let me go ahead and get into IPython. So I'm going to copy and paste these lines. So I am exporting all the libraries that I need, and this part here is basically disabling the warnings because I'm assuming that NetBox is using self-signed certificates. So this is just to not show the warnings in the screen. Okay, so the next line is this, which is the URL, the NetBox URL. And this part here is the token that I created from the NetBox website, and this is the format, right? So you have to add the word bearer and then this gibberish characters, right? And then the GraphQL query itself, which is this, and I am basically assigning it into a variable called query. So this is a multi-lined string in Python, so I'm going to copy and paste it into IPython. And the headers, so content type is basically, we are saying that we are sending a JSON format, and we are saying to the server that we accept data in JSON format, and we are adding the authorization part, and this includes the token. So I'm going to copy and paste this, and this is where we make the post call. So we see that we are calling the post method, and we are passing in all these parameters or arguments, right? So URL, and we assign the query into JSON, and headers is the headers. Timeout is 30, verify is false. And yeah, so I'm going to copy and paste this. And also this. So if this returns 200, meaning the call is successful. So we see 200. And now we can actually pretty print the full JSON response using this line of code here. Because if we just print, say print devices, no, response, we get nothing. So we have to basically dumps the object into JSON format. This is what we get here. I mean, this is the data that we get. So we see that we have the data in device list keys, and this is the list of devices, and they are basically dictionaries, right? And here what we are doing is we are calling the JSON method. We are basically saying that we are going to assign the list of devices, which is all these here, into a variable called devices. So devices becomes a list. So if I go here, if I say type devices, it's a list now. Oops, I haven't copied and pasted it yet. Yeah, it's a list. And now in this line, we are basically saying that we are going to import the list into a table and then export the table into an Excel file called NetBox devices. And we are not including the indexes, so we say false. So I'm going to copy and paste this line, and now we see the file itself here. And of course, we have a print statement that just basically says saved the file. So this is the output itself. So we see the name and primary IP, which is nothing. And we see that site.name, so meaning it's a nested dictionary. So we are using JSON normalize so we can flatten the nested dictionaries. So we get this output here. Okay, so that's how I made my first GraphQL API call with NetBox. Okay, so hopefully you found this video useful. I'll see you on the next one.